In this video, we take a look at how to do the knitted cast on. Stay with me and I'll show you how. To begin, we need to make a slip knot. And to do this, we take our yarn and we make a loop, with the tail end of the yarn coming underneath the working yarn. We then take thumb and forefinger and we reach through the loop. We grab hold of the working yarn and pull it through. Let's see that again. We make a loop with the tail of the yarn underneath the working yarn. We reach through, grab hold of the working yarn and pull it through. If we've done this right, pulling on the tail yarn will tighten the slip knot, and pulling on the working yarn will tighten the loop. We slip our loop over our needle and pull it snug. This slip knot counts as our first stitch. We hold this needle in our right hand. Now we take our left hand needle, come through the loop from front to back. Now we take our working yarn and we wrap that around the left hand needle. We pull that through the loop on the right hand needle. Now we have a loop on each needle. We take our right hand needle behind the loop on the left hand needle and we come through the loop and we slide that onto the right hand needle. And our first stitch is cast on. Let's do some more. We take our left hand needle and we come behind this new stitch on the right hand needle, coming through the loop from front to back. We wrap our yarn around the left hand needle and we pull it through the loop on the right hand needle. Now we take our right hand needle, bring it through the loop on the left hand needle and we slide that off onto the right hand needle. And we've cast on another stitch. Through the loop on the right hand needle, wrap the yarn around the left hand needle, pull it through the loop on the right hand needle, now come through the loop on the left hand needle and slide it off onto the right hand needle. Come through the first loop, wrap our yarn around the needle, pull it through the loop, then come through the loop and slide off onto the right hand needle. Come through the first loop, wrap the yarn around the needle, pull it through, and then slip the loop onto the right hand needle. Through the loop, wrap the yarn, pull it through, and slip. Keep going until you've made as many stitches as you need. And that's how to do the knitted cast on.